everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Euphorbia box for May month. So this is the pouch which I've received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all is there. So first of all, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 309 rupees and they have 3 months, 6 months and a yearly subscription as well. And of course, if you go with longer subscription, you will save a lot of money. And this is like really affordable box. So yes, I love this box. Let's just quickly open this and see what all it has. I will be mentioning the buying link and everything in the description box so you guys can check it. Now, once I open it, first let's see the bag. So you can just see it's so cool. The print, it's really cute. I love it. The shape is even interesting and quite spacious bag, I would say. You can just see the size. So quite spacious bag, very cute bag, very cute print it has. So yes, happy with this. Now the info card is this one. And on this side it says, make your own sunshine, Euphorbia box. And on the other side it has all the product list. So let's start with the first product. The first product is a lipstick by 7 C's. And the shade number is 117 for this one. Let me just open it and show you the shade. So the shade is, it's maroonish reddish kind of a shade. The price for this one is 299 rupees. On to the next one. The next one is by AM Greens and this is the Sun Erase Cooling Summer Facial Oil. Sounds nice. So this, you have to use this pea size amount and apply on clean face, dilute with water if needed. Okay. So it has jojoba oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, butter, cardamom extract, the manu oil and lavender and rosemary oil. So sounds nice. I will be definitely going to try this one. 15 ml is the quantity and the price for this one is 1199 rupees. Wow. And it says use within 12 months. The manufacture date is April 2019. So a freshly made product. Looking forward for this one. Now the next one is by Aranyam and this is a nail and cuticle health cream. This is the cute packing and the price for this one is 300 rupees and it says a natural recipe for regeneration of nails, cuticle and skin surrounding nails. Improve the overall nail health. Sounds nice. And the manufacture of April 2019, best before 18 months from the manufacturing date. Now I'm left with the last one and the last one is a pair of Meenakari earrings. And Meenakari earrings, actually Meenakari earrings plus tassel earring because I can see some tassel. Let me just detangle it. Okay, so this is the pair of earring. Let me just wear it and show you the look. I'm already wearing earrings, so I have to remove these. And the color, you can see it's pink in color. So of course I'm loving it. Really pretty. Let me just wear the other one as well. And that's all what I've received in my Euphorbia box. You can just see the lipstick is useful. The earrings are really pretty and of course useful. Then the AM Green product, it's a facial oil, especially for summers. So looks nice, very interesting product. I'm looking forward to use that. And then nail and cuticle cream, again a good product because generally we don't concentrate on our nails. So yeah, I think it's a good product. So that's all what I have received in my Euphorbia box for May month. I quite like the box. If you like it, what you can do, of course, go ahead and place your order. I will be mentioning the buy link in the description box. So that's all about Euphorbia box. And of course, I will be coming up with my May giveaway, guys. So stay connected for that. And for the winner's name, you have to check the video, the April month giveaway video. In the description box, you will find the winner's name. So go ahead and check the names. Now that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.